turning back, one love, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me wake up this morning with a fire in my chest, sunshine breaking through the clouds in the east. Too many years me listen to what people say, telling me which road me should walk every day. But me heart keep calling from somewhere deep inside, saying step forward, don't be afraid to decide. Life is a journey and nobody know the end, so me choose me direction and me learn as me go. Me don't need a crowd to tell me who me should be. Me don't need approval to know what me can see. Every mountain have a pathway somewhere, and every dream deserve a chance to breathe fresh air. So me rise with the morning sun. Me move until the journey done. Yeah, me walk me own road underneath the open sky. I carry hope inside me heart and let the old fear pass me by. Yeah, me walk me own road, no matter where it go. Step by step and day by day, me let the journey show. Me walk me own road with courage in my soul. Life may change the direction, but me still remain in control. People may laugh when you dream something different. Some will say your goals are too far away, but every great journey once began with somebody taking one small step without knowing everything. Me remember nights when doubt was getting loud, feeling like my dream was hidden underneath the clouds. Then me learned that fear can talk very strong, but fear doesn't mean that the dream is wrong. So me keep working when nobody notice, keep moving when the road becomes rough. Me don't need everything perfect before starting. Sometimes beginning is already enough. When the reggae drums start beating and the bassline start to roll, hear the freedom in the rhythm, feel the fire in a soul. It asks yank like footsteps on the highway, bassline deep like the heartbeat underneath. Drums keep steady like a traveler moving forward, while the melody rise with the morning breeze. Let the music break the silence, let the rhythm clear the mind. Sometimes when you follow your own vision, new possibilities you never knew can find. From the city to the country, from the valley to the sea, everybody have a different road and a different destiny. Me meet an old man sitting underneath a tree, watching people hurry past without looking around. He tells me, young man, don't spend your whole life trying to become what somebody else wants. He says, money can come and money can disappear, fame can rise and disappear through the years, but knowing who you are and what you stand for is something nobody can take away. Me thank him for the word and continue down the road, feeling lighter than me did before. Sometimes one conversation can change your thinking and open up a door you never saw before. So me rise with the morning sun. Me move until the journey done. Me walk me own road underneath the open sky. I carry hope inside me heart and let the old fear pass me by. Me walk me own road, no matter where it goes. Step by step and day by day, me let the journey show. Me walk me own road with courage in my soul. Life may change the direction, but me still remain in control. Forward, never backward, keep moving, keep learning. If the road bend, me bend with it. If the rain fall, me wade through. If the sun shine, me give thanks. Every step is part of the journey. One day me reach a crossroads in the road. two directions stretching far into the distance. One path looks easy, one looks difficult, and nobody standing there to tell me which one. Me take a breath and listen to me heart. Remember every lesson from the road behind. Then me choose the path that feels true to me purpose, knowing there will always be something new to learn. Me don't know exactly where the journey will lead, but me know me have the courage to continue. The destination isn't everything. Sometimes the person you become along the way matters more. Years later when me look back on the journey, me see every mistake taught me something. Every closed door pushed me toward another place. Every difficult day helped me become stronger. Me realize the road was never supposed to be perfect. It was meant to teach me how to keep moving. And every morning when the sun rises again, I still hear the same voice inside saying, keep walking, keep believing, keep becoming. Me walk me own road underneath the open sky. I carry up inside me heart and let the old fear pass me by. Me walk me own road, no matter where it goes. Step by step and day by day, me let the journey show. Me walk me own road with courage in my soul. Life may change the direction, but me still remain in control. Walk me on road, keep moving, keep believing, keep growing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. New morning, new road, no turning back. One love, Rastafari. Me wake up this morning with the fire in my chest. Sunshine breaking through the clouds in the east. Too many years me listen to what people say, telling me which road me should walk every day. When me heart keep calling from somewhere deep inside, saying step forward, don't be afraid to decide. Life is a journey and nobody know the end, so me choose me direction and me learn as me go. Me don't need a crowd to tell me who me should be. Me don't need approval to know what me can see. Every mountain have a pathway somewhere, and every dream deserve a chance. We breathe fresh air. So me rise, me rise, me rise with the morning sun. Me move, me move, me move until the journey. Yeah, yeah. Coconut tree standing tall, through the sunshine, through the rain. One love, Rastafari. Down by the coast and where the warm sea breeze blow, one tall coconut tree been standing long ago. Its roots deep in the earth, its leaves touch the sky, watching generations pass as the years roll by. Children used to play beneath its shade each day. Fishermen would rest there when the afternoon he'd stay. Farmers carried baskets past the old tree line, and lovers of nature stopped to watch the sunset shine. Nobody planted it with thoughts of becoming famous. Nobody knew how many years it would survive. It simply kept growing where the earth had placed it, learning how to bend whenever strong winds arrive. Coconut tree standing through the rain, bend when the wind come then rise up again. Roots down deep, leaves up high, keep your balance underneath the sky. Coconut tree, teach me how to stand, keep your roots strong while you reach across the land. Coconut tree, teach me how to bend. Storm may shake your branches, but your spirit don't have the end. All you grow, keep your heart free. Life can teach a lesson from a simple coconut tree. One young boy always looked at the tree with wonder, asking his grandfather why it never seemed afraid. The grandfather laughed and said, because it knows the wind will change. He told the boy, when the storm comes strong, the tree doesn't fight every gust. It bends enough to stay standing, then rises when the weather especially when difficult days appear. Whenever life feels uncertain, he thinks about the old tree by the sea. When the reggae drum start beating and the bassline start to roll, hear the coconut tree in the rhythm, feel the island in a soul. Guitar scan like the leaves against the breeze, bassline deep like the roots below the sun. Drums keep steady like the waves beside the shoreline, while the melody move gently across the land. Let the music sway like branches, let the rhythm bend and rise. Let the song remind the people to keep hope beneath the skies. From the mountain to the ocean, from the village to the street, strength isn't always standing rigid. Sometimes flexibility keeps us strong. One year a heavy storm comes from the ocean, waves grow high and the whole coastline shakes. People close their doors and wait beneath shelter, while rain falls out throughout the night. By morning many branches lie across the ground, but the coconut tree still stands beside the shore. Some leaves are gone and several branches broken, yet its roots remain deep beneath the earth. The villagers gather to clean the coastline, and children stare at the tree with amazement. The grandfather points toward it and says, "Remember what I told you years ago." Coconut tree standing through the rain, bend when the wind come then rise up again. Roots down deep, leaves up high, keep your balance underneath the sky. Coconut tree, teach me how to stand, keep your roots strong while you reach across the land. Coconut tree, teach me how to bend. Storm may shake your branches, but your spirit don't have to end. All your ground, keep your heart free. Life can teach a lesson from a simple coconut tree. Don't break, stand, don't shake. Roots deep, sky wide, storm pass, sunrise. Hold on, keep growing. Let the hard one keep you knowing. Many years pass and the young boy becomes a father, walking with his own children beside the sea. He points toward the old coconut tree and tells them about his grandfather's lesson. The tree is taller than he remembers, his trunk marked by decades of weather. Tells his children, look carefully, that tree has seen more storms than we can count. His children touch the rough trunk, wondering how something so simple can carry so many memories. He smiles and says, sometimes wisdom doesn't need words. At sunset the family sits beneath the branches, watching the ocean turn gold and orange. The leaves move softly with the evening breeze, making a gentle rhythm above them. The father thinks about his grandfather, and no one small lesson stayed with him. Not every storm can be stopped, but we can learn how to stand. We can learn when to bend, we can learn how to grow again. Coconut tree, teach me how to stand, keep your roots strong while you reach across the land. Coconut tree, teach me how to bend. Storm may shake your branches, but your spirit don't have to end. All your ground, keep your heart free. Life can teach a lesson from a simple coconut tree. Coconut tree, still standing, still growing, still reaching. Wind may blow, yeah man, roots reggae calling. Hear the bassline rolling, hear the drum them speaking. From the hillside to the ocean, from the village to the city. One love, one heart, roots in the ground. Sunrise come over the mountain, Golden light shine like a fountain. Cool breeze dance through the palm tree, carrying a message of unity. Me step out on the dusty road, give thanks for the life me hold. Every morning bring a chance, for work, for love, for sing, for dance. Me remember when the days were hard, when every road feel rough and dark. Still me mama keep the faith, tell me patience never come late. Yeah. She says, son, protect your soul, don't let trouble take control. Walk with kindness, speak with truth, keep the wisdom from your youth. So me carry every word like a song from an ancient bird. When the world get cold sometimes, me remember those old lines. Yeah. Roots run deep beneath the ground, even when the storm come round. Wind can shake the tallest tree, but strong roots bring stability. Yeah. Roots in the ground, up in the sky. Keep your feet on solid earth, keep your dreams up high. One love all around, let the good vibrations sound. When we stand together strong, nobody can push we down. Roots in the ground, ooh, roots in the soul. Love is what can make a broken spirit whole. Down by the market early morning, hear the sound of life performing. Woman selling mango sweet, greeting every soul she meet. Old man sitting by the doorway, sharing wisdom from yesterday. Him say, you don't chase the goal, chase the truth before you old. Farmer working in the field, knowing patience bring the yield. Every seed him put below, carry hope for days for grow. Rain may fall on every land, still him hold the future in a hand. Sun may burn and wine may blow, still the little seedlings grow. Fisherman sail across the day, before the first light of the day. Ocean moving wild and deep, still him trust the promises him keep. When him finally reach the shore, him share the blessings at the door. Nobody need to walk alone, community can make a home. Roots in the ground, up in the sky. Keep your feet on solid earth, keep your dreams up high. One love all around, let the good vibration sound. When we stand together strong, nobody can push we down. Roots in the ground, ooh, roots in the soul. Love is what can make a broken spirit whole. Yeah. Children playing by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Wanna dream to be a teacher, wanna dream to be a preacher. One want build a better town, one want make the world more sound. Every child deserve a chance, every dream deserve advance. Teacher stand before the class, tell them knowledge make you last. Use your mind and use your heart, every journey have a start. Books open like a doorway, leading toward a brighter day. Every lesson that them learn, plant another seed for burn. Not for hatred, not for greed, but for kindness, truth and deed. When the youth them understand, them can help feel the light. Evening fall across the village, moonlight paint the sea with silver. Guitar ringing near the fire, voices climbing higher, higher. Drums begin to tell the story, people dancing in a glory. Grandma clap and children sing, joy become a precious thing. Different faces, different names, still we share the same bright flame. Nobody asking who you are, love can reach you near and far. One hand helping one more hand, that is how we build the land. One smile answering one tear, that is all we bring hope near. When the night get long and cold, all the values you were told. Every star above the sea tell you what you still can be. Roots in the ground, up in the sky. Keep your feet on solid earth, keep your dreams up high. One love all around, let the good vibration sound. When we stand together strong, nobody can push me down. Roots in the ground, ooh, roots in the soul. Hey. Love is what can make a broken spirit whole. Hey. We walk along the shoreline, watching waves move in a time. Every wave come, every wave go, teaching things we need to know. Ocean never hold one shape. Hey. Still it find a way escape. Same soul life can change one day. Still we find another way. Mountain never leave its place. Keep your vision clear, keep your ones you love close and near. Behind the old laws, green leaves, fresh morning, life growing, one love, Rastafari. Behind the old house where the morning sunshine, one little garden stretch along the hillside. Tomato, pepper, yam and sweet potato grow, with flowers dancing gently whenever the breeze blow. An old gardener wakes before the morning heat, walking through the garden with bare dusty feet. He checks every plant and waters the dry ground, giving thanks for every little thing he has found. Some plants grow quickly, some take longer time, some need plenty sunshine, some prefer the shade. The gardener never forces any plant to hurry. He knows everything grows according to its season. Grow, little garden, grow beneath the sun. Every little seed has a journey to become. Rain may come, dry days too. Keep your roots strong and keep reaching through. The garden behind the house, green life everywhere. Every leaf have a story, every flower needs some care. Garden behind the house, teaching me each day. Good things need attention before they find their way. Plant a little kindness, water it with love. Give it time and patience, then watch it rise above. One young child comes running through the garden, always asking why some plants grow so tall. The gardener kneels beside a little seedling and says big things can begin very small. He gives the child one seed to hold carefully, then shows how to place it in the ground. Don't dig it up every morning if you check it. Let it rest and let the roots grow down. The child laughs and says, but I want to see it now. The gardener smiles. Some of the best things in life need time before you can see them. When the reggae drums start beating and the basslines start to roll, hear the garden in the rhythm, feel the sunshine in our soul. Guitar skank like the leaves against the breeze, bassline deep like the roots below the drum. Drums keep steady like the footsteps through the garden, while the melody goes softly all around. Let the music go like flowers, let the rhythm spread its seed. Let the song remind the people that patience can become a strength. From the smallest little seed to the tallest tree, everything begins somewhere before the world can see. One season brings along an heavy rainfall, water rushing down the hillside fast. The gardener built small channels around the plants' heads, helping keep the soil from washing away. Some flowers bend beneath the weather, some young plants lose their leaves. But the gardener doesn't give up, he simply starts caring for them again. The child watches from beneath the porch, learning that gardens need protection too. He sees the gardener working patiently, even when the work becomes difficult. Grow, little garden, grow beneath the sun. Every little seed has a journey to become. Rain may come, dry days too. Keep your roots strong and keep reaching through. The garden behind the house, green life everywhere. Every leaf have a story, every flower needs some care. Garden behind the house, teaching me each day. Good things need attention before they find their way. Plant a little kindness, water it with love. Give it time and patience, then watch it rise above. Seed in the ground, root going down, root going down. Sun in the sky, rain coming down, little by little, day by day. Life find a way to make its way. Don't rush, don't force, keep giving care. What you plant today Yeah, yeah. Before the sunrise, hear the bell calling from the harbor. One love, Rastafari. By the harbor where the fishing boats sleep, one little bell hangs where the old pier meets the deep. Every morning before the first light appears, his gentle sound travels across the water clear. Old fisherman Joseph wakes before the dawn, pulls on his boots and watches the darkness move on. He checks his boat, his rope and the nets by the shore, then hears the little bell like he has heard before. The bell has been ringing through many changing years, through sunny mornings and heavy rain tears. Every fisherman knows what this sound means, another morning calling them out to the sea. Ring little bell, ring through the bay, tell all the fishermen it's another day. Wind may change, tide may turn, there are lessons every sailor must learn. The fisherman's bell calling across the sea. Wake up, rise up, let the morning set you free. The fisherman's bell echo through the bay, everybody hears it at the breaking of the day. Carry hope upon the water, carry faith inside your heart. Every journey has a moment when you simply have to start. One young fisherman joins Joseph one morning, nervous because it is his first trip so far. He looks across the dark ocean quietly, wondering how far the little boat will travel. Joseph tells him respect the water and always watch the changing sky. Don't let confidence make you careless, and don't let fear stop you from trying. The young fisherman listens carefully, learning every knot and every sign. He watches how the older man reads the water, understanding that experience takes time. When the reggae drums start beating and the basslines start to roll, hear the harbor in the rhythm, feel the ocean in a soul. Guitars skank like the waves against the harbor, bassline deep like the ocean underneath. Drums keep steady like the boat upon the water, while the melody moves gently with the breeze. Let the music rise like morning, let the rhythm cross the bay. Let the song remind the people that courage grows along the way. From the fisherman to the farmer, from the child to the elder, everybody has a journey that can make their spirits stronger. By midday the clouds begin to gather and the wind changes direction on the sea. Joseph looks toward the horizon carefully, then tells everyone it's time to head back. The young fisherman feels disappointed, thinking they should stay a little longer. Joseph explains that wisdom isn't always about knowing when we continue. Sometimes wisdom means knowing when it is better for return home. They turned the boat toward the harbor, following the changing wind. Ring little bell, ring through the bay, tell all the fishermen it's another day. Wind may change, tide may turn, there are lessons every sailor must learn. The fisherman's bell calling across the sea. Wake up, rise up, let the morning set you free. The fisherman's bell echo through the bay, everybody hears it at the breaking of the day. Carry hope upon the water, carry faith inside your heart. Every journey has a moment when you simply have to start. Ring to the morning, ring to the rain, guide the boat, guide the heart. Every journey have a start. Listen, learn, move with the tide. Respect your road and keep your faith inside. and the young fisherman grows older, learning to see through many seasons. He eventually teaches another young sailor the same lessons Joseph once taught him. One morning he hears the harbor bell ringing and suddenly remembers his first journey. He smiles because the sound has never changed, even though generations have come and gone. He walks toward the pier before sunrise, finding a young fisherman waiting there. He says, "You ready?" The young man nods. He hears the bell and they begin. At sunset the harbor becomes peaceful. Boats return slowly across the glowing water. Families wait beside the pier, watching loved ones come home. The old fisherman sits near the bell, listening to its gentle movement in the breeze. He knows one day another person will stand there, and another generation will hear its call. The bell isn't only calling fishermen, it's calling people toward responsibility, toward courage, toward home. The fisherman's bell calling across the sea. Wake up, rise up, let the morning set you free. The fisherman's bell echo through the bay. Everybody hears it at the breaking of the day. Carry hope up on the water, yeah. Carry faith inside your heart. Every journey has a moment, every journey has a moment when you simply have to start. The fisherman's bell still ringing, still calling, still guiding. Ring little bell across the bay.
Yeah, yeah. Morning train rolling through the valley. New day, new journey. One love, Rastafari. Before the sunrise over the mountain high, the morning train comes rolling through the countryside. Steel wheels singing on the old railway line, carrying different people at the break of day. A farmer holds a basket heading to the town. A young student sits quietly looking around. An old woman carries flowers wrapped in paper, and a worker watches sunlight climbing higher. Nobody knows exactly where each person will go, but everybody has a story that nobody else knows. The train keeps moving steady through the land, carrying dreams from one small town to another. Morning train rolling through the light, leaving yesterday and welcoming tonight. Window open, feel the breeze, watch the countryside moving through the trees. Morning train, take me down the line, carry all the dreams that people hold inside. Morning train, rolling smooth and slow, every station waiting, every road has somewhere we go. So keep the wheels turning, keep the rhythm strong. Every traveler carries a little piece of song. One young traveler boards with a small suitcase, looking nervous as he searches for a seat. He's leaving home for the first time, hoping that a new road will bring new possibilities. An old farmer sitting near the window smiles and says, "Don't worry, every journey starts this way." He tells him about all the places he once visited and all the lessons he learned along the way. The young traveler listens carefully, watching fields disappear behind the glass. He begins to understand that every journey is made from many small moments passing. When the reggae drums start beating and the bassline start to roll, hear the train inside the rhythm, feel the movement in a soul. Guitars skank like the wheels up on the railway, bassline deep like the valley down below. Drums keep steady like the engine pulling forward, while the melody move with the morning glow. Let the music ride like a train now, let the rhythm carry far. Every road can teach a lesson, every journey show you who you station, some passengers leave, and new travelers step onto the train. A mother boards with her little daughter. A musician carries an old guitar. The musician sits near the young traveler and quietly tunes the strings. Soon a gentle melody fills the carriage, making everybody look up and smile. Nobody asks him where he learned it. Nobody asks him where he's going. For a few beautiful minutes, the whole train simply listens. Morning train, rolling through the lights, leaving yesterday and welcoming tonight. Window open, feel the breeze, watch the countryside moving through the trees. Morning train, take me down the line, carry all the dreams that people hold inside. Morning train, rolling smooth and slow, every station waiting, every road has somewhere to go. So keep the wheels turning, keep the rhythm strong. Every traveler carries a little piece of song. Click, clack, keep moving, don't look back. One station, then another. Different faces, different stories. Same road, same morning, new beginning. By midday the train reaches a bigger station. People gather with bags along the platform. The young traveler finally stands to leave, but before he goes he thanks the old farmer. The farmer shakes his hand and says, remember what the road teaches you. Don't be afraid when the destination changes. Sometimes the unexpected place is where you grow. The musician plays one final chord, and the young traveler steps onto the platform. He watches the train begin moving away, knowing his journey has only just begun. Years later, the same traveler becomes older, and one morning he boards another train. This time he sees a young person sitting nervously, holding a small suitcase close. He remembers himself from many years before, and smiles as he takes the seat nearby. He begins telling stories about his own journey, just like the old farmer once told him. The train continues through the countryside, and sunlight shines across the window. Another traveler is learning, another journey is beginning, another story is being carried down the line. Morning train, take me down the line, carry all the dreams that people hold inside. Morning train, rolling smooth and slow, every station waiting, every road has somewhere to go. So keep the wheels turning, keep the wheels turning, keep the rhythm strong, keep the rhythm strong. Every traveler carries a little piece of song. Morning train, keep rolling, keep moving, keep, don't look back. Keep morning train, keep moving, keep the journey going. Night come down, small fire burning high up in the hills. One look, Rastafari. High up in the hills where the cool wind blow. One little fire shine when the daylight go. A group of travelers get underneath the sky, sharing stories while the stars begin to rise. Some came from the valley, some came from far away. All of them carrying stories from another day. Nobody knows exactly how long they will stay, but tonight they have a place where they can rest. An old man sits beside the fire with a wooden cup, watching sparks rise slowly toward the stars above. He says every journey brings a different lesson. Sometimes you find it when you finally slow down. Fire in the hills, shining through the night. Small flame in the darkness, giving everybody light. Wind may blow, rain may fall, still one little fire can bring warmth to all. The fire in the hills, burning through the night. People gather close together, sharing warmth and light. The fire on the hills, shining like a star. Sometimes you don't need much to remember who you are. Keep the fire burning, keep the spirit strong. When people stand together, darkness cannot last too long. One young traveler sits quietly away from the group, looking at the flames and thinking about home. He has been walking for many days alone, trying to understand where his journey should go. The old man notices him and doesn't ask too many questions. He simply places another piece of wood upon the fire. Then he says, some answers come when you stop searching and allow your mind to breathe. The young traveler smiles and watches the flames, listening to laughter around him. For the first time in many nights, he feels like he doesn't have to worry anyway. When the reggae drums start beating and the basslines start to roll, hear the fire in the rhythm, feel the warmth inside his soul. Guitars skank like the wind among the branches, bassline deep like the valley far below. Drums keep steady like the footsteps of the travelers, while the melody rise and gently flow. Let the music circle round the fire, let the rhythm touch the sky. Let the song remind the people that connection never really dies. From the mountain to the valley, from the village to the sea, everybody needs a little warmth and somebody to believe. Oh, oh, oh. Later in the night, rain begins to fall, soft drops landing on the leaves around them. Everybody moves closer underneath a shelter, protecting the small fire from the weather. The travelers work together without being asked. One brings wood while another covers the flame. Soon the rain becomes lighter and the fire begins glowing again. The old man laughs and says, see how quickly people learn to cooperate when something important needs protecting. Everybody smiles. Fire on the hills. Oh, oh, fire on the hills, shining through the night. Small flame in the darkness, giving everybody light. Wind may blow, rain may fall, still one little fire can bring warmth to all. The fire on the hills, burning through the night. People gather close together, sharing warmth and light. The fire on the hills, shining like a star. Sometimes you don't need much to remember who you are. Keep the fire burning, keep the spirit strong. When people stand together, darkness cannot last too long. Small flame, big warmth, one spark can begin one on another. Bring it people in. Don't let the fire fade away. Keep the light until the day. Morning slowly comes across the mountain ridge, golden light touching the trees one by one. The travelers prepare their bags again, knowing their paths will soon separate. The young traveler thanks the old man, saying, I came here looking for answers. Instead I found people who reminded me that I don't have to carry everything alone. The old man smiles and says, carry the lesson, not the fire. The fire belongs to everyone, but the warmth can travel with you. Years later, the young traveler returns to the hills, older now, with stories from many roads. The little fire still burns near the same old place, though the people around it have changed. He sits beside a new generation of travelers, sharing stories underneath the stars. Then he sees an old man approaching slowly, carrying wood toward the fire. For a moment he remembers himself years ago, sitting quietly and wondering where life would lead. He smiles. The fire continues, the lesson continues. down by the country road. One little lantern still shining. One love, Rastafari. Down by the roadside where the old palm trees sway, one little lantern shines at the end of every day, hanging from a wooden post beside a quiet gate, giving travelers a little light when darkness comes late. Nobody knows who first put the lantern there, but every night somebody makes sure it has care. A farmer passes by after working in the field, and the little golden light makes the long road feel less strange. Children see it glowing from the village far away. Drivers slow down when the evening becomes grey. It isn't bright enough to light the whole road wide, but it gives enough direction for a traveler passing by. Little lantern shining through the night, small but steady, giving someone light. You don't need to shine like the morning sun. Sometimes one small light can help someone along. The roadside lantern still burning every night, guiding weary travelers with a little golden light. The roadside lantern standing by the road. Sometimes you don't need to carry somebody else's load. Just give them a little light, just show them where to go. A simple act of kindness can help somebody grow. One night a young traveler comes walking through the rain. His clothes are wet and his feet are tired from the road. He doesn't know exactly where the village is, but then he sees the lantern glowing through the dark. He walks toward it slowly and finds a small shelter, a wooden bench beside an old stone wall. He sits beneath the roof and waits for the rain to pass, watching the lantern shining in through the falling drops. An elderly farmer opens his gate and sees him there, offers him some water and a place to rest. The traveler says, I only follow the little light. The farmer smiles and says, that's what it is for. When the reggae drums start beating and the basslines start to roll, hear the lantern in the rhythm, feel the warm light in our soul. Guitars skank like the footsteps on the roadside, bassline deep like the darkness all around. Drums keep steady like the walking of the traveler, while the melody carries light into the town. Let the music be a lantern, let the rhythm guide the way. Let the song remind the people that kindness has a place. From the hillside to the valley, from the village to the shore, one small light can remind us that there is something worth moving toward. By morning the traveler thanks the farmer, then continues down the road toward the town. Before he leaves, he looks back at the lantern, remembering how it helped him when the night was dark. Years later he returns along the same road, now carrying his own lantern in his hand. He sees the old farmer sitting near the gate and tells him about the journey he completed. The farmer laughs and says, the lantern didn't walk for you, you still have to take every step yourself. The traveler smiles, but without that little light, I might not have known where to begin. Little lantern shining through the night, small but steady, giving someone light. You don't need to shine like the morning sun. Sometimes one small light can help someone along. The roadside lantern still burning every night, guiding weary travelers with a little golden light. The roadside lantern standing by the road. Sometimes you don't need to carry somebody else's load. Just give them a little light, just show them where to go. A simple act of kindness can help somebody grow. Shine, little light, through the darkness, through the night. One step, then another. Keep moving, don't fear. When the road feels lonely, let the light draw near. The traveler now becomes a father, and his children grow up hearing about the lantern. One evening they ask why
he still remembers it, and he takes them down the old country road. They see the same little lantern glowing, though the wooden post is older than before. He tells them, this light taught me something simple: you don't need to solve somebody's whole journey. Sometimes just helping them see the next safe step is enough. The children look at the lantern, understanding the lesson in their own way. Many years later, the original farm is gone, but the lantern remains beside the road. The travelers' children now maintain it, making sure the flame never disappears. Every night somebody checks the lantern, just as someone did many years before. New travelers pass beneath its glow, never knowing the generations behind it. And a little light keeps shining, quietly doing what it was made to do. Not changing the whole world, just making one small part of it a little easier to see. The roadside lantern, still burning every night, guiding weary travelers with a little golden light. The roadside lanterns, the roadside lantern, still burning every night, guiding weary travelers with a little golden light.
Yeah, yeah. Little house by the sea, old wooden door, morning breeze, another story. One look, Rastafari. Yeah. Down by the shoreline where the coconut trees sway, one little house stand watching every day. Paint on the window fading from the sun, but inside the house many memories live on. An old fisherman built it with his hands, using wood he carried from the hillside land. He raised his family underneath that roof, through sunny mornings and rainy afternoons. Every morning he opens up the wooden door, looks at the ocean rolling toward the shore. He gives thanks for the life that he has known, and listens to the waves like an old familiar song. Little house by the sea, standing through the years, holding all the laughter, holding all the tears. Storm may come, wind may blow, still the little house refuses to let go. Little house by the sea, where the morning breeze blow free. Every wall have a story, every window face the sea. Little house by the sea, simple life and open sky. Sometimes happiness is waiting where you never thought to find. So give thanks for the shelter, give thanks for the ground. The greatest things in life don't always make a sound. One afternoon his granddaughter comes to visit, carrying a small bag and a smile upon her face. She walks through every room she remembers, touching old photographs along the wall. She asks about the marks beside the doorway, and he tells her how tall she was at 7 years old. He laughs about the game she used to play there, and how she always wanted to explore the shore. She looks outside and watches fishing boats, then asks him why he never moved away. He says because sometimes you find a place that teaches you everything you need to know. When the reggae drums start beating and the basslines start to roll, hear the ocean in the rhythm, feel the sunshine in our soul. Bit of skank like the waves upon the shoreline, bassline deep like the water underneath. Drums keep steady like the footsteps in the old house, while the melody dance softly with the breeze. Let the music carry memories, let the rhythm tell the tale. Let song remind the people that simple love can never fail. From the fisherman to the traveler, from the child to the elder, home can be a feeling that stays with you forever. Oh, hold on. Oh, and here a powerful storm comes from the ocean. Wind shake the windows through the night. The family gathers safe in the strongest room, listening while the rain beats against the roof. By morning, the storm has finally passed. Branches scattered all across the sand. The old fisherman walks around the house slowly, checking every wall and every door. Some boards need repairing, some windows need new glass, but the house is still standing, and the family begins cleaning together. Neighbors arrive with tools and timber, bringing food and helping hands. The little house becomes a reminder that strong communities can rebuild after difficult days. Little house by the sea, standing through the years, holding all the laughter, holding all the tears. Storm may come, wind may blow, still the little house refuse to let go. Little house by the sea, where the morning breeze blow free. Every wall have a story, every window face the sea. Oh, oh. The little house by the sea, simple life and open sky. Sometimes happiness is waiting where you never thought you'd find. So give thanks for the shelter. Oh, give thanks for the ground. Oh, the greatest things in life don't always make a sound. Hold on, when the wind blows, stand strong. When the rain falls, keep your heart warm, keep your people near. Oh, every star will pass away, morning will appear. Years pass and the old fisherman grows older. His granddaughter knows children of her own. She brings them down to visit the little house, and they run across the same familiar floor. She points toward the old photographs, telling stories about their family. The children laugh when they hear how their mother used to play beside the sea. The fisherman sits quietly by the window, watching another generation grow. He realizes the little house has become more than wood and stone. It has become a keeper of memories. One evening the whole family sits outside, watching sunset in the ocean sky. Nobody talks much because the moment feels complete with the sound of waves beneath their feet. The youngest child asks, will this house always be here? The old fisherman smiles, maybe not forever, but the love inside it can travel with you. The family sits quietly as the evening breeze arrives, and the little loves continues listening to the sea. Oh, little house by the sea, where the morning breeze blow free. Every wall have a story, every window face the sea. Little house by the sea, simple life and open sky. So sometimes happiness is waiting where you never thought you'd find. Yeah. So give thanks for the shelter, give thanks for the ground. The greatest things in life don't always make a sound. Yeah, yeah. Little house by the sea, little house by the sea. Old wooden door, morning breeze, another story. One love, Rastafari. Yeah, down by the shoreline where the coconut trees sway. One little house stand watching every day.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration, the bassline rolling.
One drop drum attack. Morning breeze through the palm tree. Give thanks for another day. No matter the weather. One love. Morning sun come over the hill. Everything quiet, everything still. Me step outside and feel the breeze. Hear the birds singing through the trees. Me lift me eyes up to the sky. Give thanks for another try. Yesterday might have been hard, but today me still have me guide. Mama tell me, son, walk slowly. Keep your heart clean and your mind holy. Life will test you now and then, but never fear if you start again. Don't let anger guide your feet. Don't let pride make your heart weak. If you have a chance for care, give somebody love and share. Papa say remember this, life is more than money bliss. Build your name through honest action. Walk with courage and compassion. If you reach the mountain top, help another person climb. Real success is when you leave something good behind. When the clouds begin to gather, we still walk through any weather. Rain can fall and wind can blow, still the roots beneath me grow. No matter the weather, we keep moving on through the rain and sunshine. We keep singing strong. No matter the weather, me heart will carry light. When the road get difficult, me still believe in right. One love, one heart, one rhythm, one song. No matter the weather, we keep moving on. We keep moving on. The road, the market, busy people working, people smiling, fruit them shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Woman selling food for family, still she greet everybody kindly. Old man sitting by the corner, sharing wisdom with the younger. Him say, you don't rush the journey. Every season teach us something. Tree don't grow up overnight, still it reach toward the light. Don't compare your road to mine. Everybody have them time. Keep your purpose in your chest. Do your best and leave the rest. Farmer working in the field, waiting patiently for heal. Every seed beneath the ground needs some rain before it come around. Sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the earth relief. Nature show we every day. Growth can happen slow, west way. No matter the weather, me keep moving on through the rain and sunshine. Me keep singing strong. No matter the weather, me heart will carry light. When the road get difficult, me still believe in right. One love, one heart, one rhythm, one song. No matter the weather, we keep moving on. We keep moving on. Children playing by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. One a dream fi be a teacher, one a dream fi help another. One want build a mighty bridge, one want plant trees pon the ridge. Every dream inside them minds reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher tell them keep a learning, keep the light inside your burning. Knowledge give your wings fi fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, remember those who help you speak. Lift the people when you rise, keep compassion in your eyes. Give the youth them room fi grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach them courage, teach them care, show them love fi everywhere. When we plant good seeds today, better future find a way. Every lesson, every deed can become tomorrow's seed. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat make the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, someone bring a chair for spare. Nobody counting who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, life feel lighter altogether. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are keep me company. keep me future right. Every chapter have a meaning. Every season bring new feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If you lose, learn the lesson. If you fear, face the question. Every mountain have a summit. Every river reach the ocean. Every night must meet the morning. Every seed can start it growing. Keep your faith and hold your ground. Keep the good vibes moving round. Don't let anger steal your vision. Choose compassion over division. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave have tale fi tell. Wrong thing teach me how fi stand. Tree roots solely stubborn land. Earth them teach me how fi fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope forever. Through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow who might need a little comfort. One kind word can lift a spirit.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae calling. Deep bassline, one drop rhythm. Hear the drum them talking. Hear the guitar I sing. From the hillside to the seaside. From the old generation to the youth them. One love. Keep the roots alive. Keep the roots alive. Morning come with golden fire. Sunlight lifting every desire. We step outside and breathe the air. Give thanks for the life we share. Bird them singing from the tree. Cool breeze blowing wild and free. Though the road might have some stone, but no, me never walk alone. Mama teach me from me younger days. Walk with truth in all your ways. Don't let anger rule your mind. Leave some room for love and kindness. When you meet somebody falling, give them strength instead of calling. Everybody need a helping hand. If we join together, we can stand. Papa working from the dawn, rain or sunshine, him carry on. Him say, son, remember this. Real wealth come from happiness. Don't measure life by what you give. Learn to dance through sun and rain. If you rise, then help another. Treat each person like your brother. When the clouds cover the sky, we still remember birds can fly. When the rain fall on the land, new life rise from where it stand. Keep the roots alive, keep the fire burning bright. Carry love inside the heart. Let it guide you through the night. Oh, keep the roots alive, keep the dream inside your eyes. Though the road may twist and bend, keep believing till the end. One love, one heart, one vibration. Hope for every generation. Keep the roots alive and let the good vibes rise. Don't the market when the sun rise. See, determination in a people's eyes. Mango, banana, coconut, sweet. Life a move along the street. Woman selling food for family. Still she smiles so naturally. Old man sitting by the wall, greeting every person tall. Him say, you don't rush the years. Like bring laughter, life bring tears. What you see today can change. Tomorrow might look very strange. So appreciate the little things. Hear the joy that the morning brings. A simple heart can still be rich when love become the greatest gift. Farmer standing in a field, waiting patiently for yield. Every seed beneath the ground needs some time before we come around. Rain can fall and sun can shine. Everything a proper time. So me learn from what me see.
generations build stability. Keep the roots alive, keep the fire burning bright. Carry love inside your heart. Let it guide you through the night. Oh, keep the roots alive, keep the dream inside your eyes. Though the road may twist and bend, keep believing till the end. One love, one heart, one vibration. Hope for every generation. Keep the roots alive and let the good vibes rise. Children running by the river, laughing while the sunlight shimmer. Little girl, all her book could cry, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy, look toward the hill, saying one day, me climb it still. Every child have dreams to carry, every heart have roads to travel. Teacher tell them learn to listen, let compassion be your vision. Knowledge give you wings to fly, but kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach a better place, don't forget the ones who helped you. Use your knowledge to create, use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach them courage, teach them care, teach them love for everywhere. When we plant good seeds today, future flowers find a way. Every lesson, every deed can become tomorrow's seed. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children singing, drum beat make the whole place swinging. Neighbors gather near the light, sharing stories through the night. Someone bring a puppy share, someone bring a chirpy stare. Nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, the memories people carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars that keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days light, still me keep my future bright. Every chapter have a meaning, every season teach us something. If you fall, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If you lose, learn the lesson. If you fear, face the question. Every mountain have a summit, every river reach the ocean. Every night must meet the morning, every seed can start growing. Keep your faith and hold the ground. Keep the good vibes moving round. Don't let hatred steal your vision. Choose compassion over division. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave of tale fit tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots grip this stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, yeah man, yeah the bassline rolling, one drop drum a car. Hey. Morning breeze a whisper through the trees, from the hillside to the shoreline, from the old ones to the young ones. Give thanks for life, one love. Sunrise paint the mountain golden, new day stories start unfolding. Me step outside and feel the breeze, moving gently through the trees. Me give thanks for breath and vision, for the chance and new ambition. Yesterday can't stay behind, today me build a stronger mind. Mama tell me keep your heart full of love from every start. When somebody lose them way, help them find a brighter day. Don't let anger rule your mind, leave a little room for kindness. Every person have a story, treat them with respect and dignity. Papa working in the yard, life was never always easy. Still him smile and still him sing, find a blessing in each thing. Hey. Him say son remember well, life is more than what you sell. If you rise and reach the top, help the people never stop. Oh. When the road become uncertain, me remember every lesson. Clouds can cover up the sun, but the light still overcome. Hear the rhythm of a new day, feel the rhythm lead the way. Keep the fire in your heart, every sunrise bring a start. Hear the rhythm of a new day, let the worries drift away. One love flowing through the land, hope and courage hand in hand. Rise up people, rise up strong. Let the bassline carry on. Hear the rhythm, hear the sound. Love and peace a circle round. Down the market when the morning, hear the laughter and the calling. Fresh fruit shining in the sun, everybody get them work done. Vendor smile and greet the stranger. Working hard to build the future. Old man sitting by the tree, watching life move peacefully. Him say you don't rush the years. Life bring laughter, life bring tears. What you plant today will grow. Give it time and let it flow. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will heal. Every seed beneath the clay, carry hope for brighter days. Rain come down and sun return, every season have a turn. Nature teach we patiently, nothing good grow instantly. Hear the rhythm of a new day, feel the rhythm lead the way. Keep the fire in your heart, every sunrise bring a star. Hear the rhythm of a new day, let the worries drift away. One love flowing through the land, hope and courage hand in hand. Rise up people, rise up strong. Let the bassline carry on. Hear the rhythm, hear the song. Love and peace a circle round. Children running by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl with book in hand, dreaming of to change the land. Little boy look to the sky, wondering how the birds can fly. Teacher tell them keep on learning, keep your heart from hate and burning. Knowledge give your wings for soar, kindness open every door. When you reach the place you dream, remember those who helped you climb. Every child deserve a chance, every dream deserve advance. Give them guidance, give them care, give them hope and always share. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. If we plant respect today, better days can find a way. Evening circle on the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children sing, drum beat make the whole place swing. Neighbors gather near the light, sharing stories through the night. Someone bring a pot for share, someone bring a chair for spare. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories people carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. Moonlight shining on the ocean, stars above like inspiration. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter teach a lesson, every season bring progression. If you fall, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the rain come down hard, remember say you still have heart. Every mountain have a summit, every river reach the sea. Every night must meet the morning, every seed can grow eventually. Keep your vision, keep your fire, keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let fear become your chain, let experience bring you gain. We walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in our time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave of tale fi tell. Mountain teach me how fi stand, tree roots hold the stubble land. Bird them teach me how fi fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share some words of kindness. If somebody need assistance, they will help without resistance. I'm for carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share some words of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me
resistance, cause we never know tomorrow who may need a little comfort. One kind word can lift a spirit, one good deed can make a difference. So me choose to spread the light from the morning till the night. Let the music travel far.